So hello coders, this is the part 4 of the MCQs of the array and we are going to solve these questions. Okay, so there are the 10 questions. So first do by yourself, then match to the me. Okay, so now question number 1. If array is partially initialized, remaining elements are. So options are garbage, 0, random or none. So over here answer is 0. Okay, so option B is correct for the question number 1. Okay, moving to the question number 2. Which header file is used for the array in the STL? So which header file is used? Okay, so options are vector, array, list or stack. So option B is the correct over here. Arrays are the right answer. Okay, so array is right answer over here. Moving to the question number 3. Can array be used as a function return type? So here is the question. Okay, so options are yes or no. Okay, so option B is the correct, no. Okay, so we are not use. Okay, now moving to the question number 4. What is the maximum number of elements in a array of size 1000? Okay, so how many elements are there? So we know that the number of elements equal to number of size. Okay, so option B is the correct, 1000. Okay, now moving to the question number 5. Question number 5 is which searching algorithm is best for the sorted array? So array is sorted over here and which algorithm is the best? Okay, so options are linear search, binary search, jump search and exponential search. So option B is the correct, binary search is the right answer. Okay, moving to the question number 6. What will array of n returns if the array of size is n? Okay, so array of size equal to n. Okay, now options are last element, undefined garbage, first element or compilation error. So we know that last element size is index is n minus 1. Okay, so at the last it will be the outside, so undefined or garbage value will be created. Okay, so option B is the correct for the question number 6 also. Okay, moving to the question number 7. What is the default value of an array element in C++ local arrays? Okay, so options are 0, garbage, -1 or null. So option B is the correct over here, garbage. Okay, now moving to the question number 8. Okay, so what is the time complexity of the reversing an element? Reversing of array. Okay, so if array is given over here and we need to reverse the, so what is the time complexity? So we know that for the traversing time complexity is big of n. So if we are reversing it, the time complexity is same, so big of n is the right answer. Okay, so option B is the correct over here. Now moving to the question number 9. What will happen if array size is declared as 0? Okay, so if we are initialize an array or declare an array of size 0, so what will be happened? Okay, so options are given over here is array, compile but runtime issue, okay, create an empty array, undefined behavior. So option A is correct over here, error is thrown by the compiler. Okay, now moving to the question number 10. Which algorithm use, okay, array internally for the heap operation? So we know that options are given over here is heap sort, merge sort, quick sort and insertion sort. So option A is the correct, heap sort use the heap operation. Okay, we have solved our 10 questions. So thank you guys, and please subscribe my channel, like and comment your score. Okay, how much you are correct in this time. Thank you.